Hi, this is John Criswell. Welcome to Manufacturing Marvels. Talalay Global is the world's largest producer of Talalay. Talalay is a process used to transform natural rubber into the finest mattresses, pillows, and toppers. Talalay process uniquely provides optimal balance of comfort and durability while maintaining superior consistency and feel. Headquartered in Connecticut, Talalay Global is the only American manufacturer of Talalay. Bedding manufacturers and retailers across the globe look to Talalay Global for made in the USA support cores and pressure relief layers. To create these premier products, Talalay Global starts with natural, biodegradable ingredients from renewable resources. Next, a liquid latex formula is mixed according to customer specifications. Liquid latex is then dispersed into a mold in precise amounts utilizing computer controls and robotics. A vacuum process pulls the latex to fill out the mold. The latex is frozen into place and then vulcanized. From there, it passes through a 5-stage freshwater washing process and then dried. Finally, the Talalay product is put to the test. All mattress cores are robotically tested in 9 areas for consistency. All pillows are individually weighed and hand inspected. Talalay Global products contain no toxins, carcinogens, or latex allergens. They're certified to the healthiest classification, which means they're good for people and the environment. This is John Criswell for Manufacturing Marvels.